Overthinking is something many people struggle with. It can make simple decisions feel difficult and cause unnecessary stress. But the good news is, you can learn to stop overthinking and feel more calm and confident. First, understand what overthinking really is. It means thinking too much about a problem or situation, often imagining worst-case scenarios or worrying about things you cannot control. This can make you feel stuck and unable to take action. One way to stop overthinking is to become aware of when it happens. Notice your thoughts and catch yourself when you start going in circles. Simply recognizing that you are overthinking can help you pause and reset. Next, try to limit the time you spend on a problem. Give yourself a set amount of time to think, like 5 or 10 minutes. After that, make a decision or move on to something else. This prevents endless rumination. Another effective method is to focus on what you can control. Ask yourself, what can I do right now to improve the situation? Instead of worrying about what might happen, focus on small actions you can take. Also, practice letting go of perfectionism. Overthinking often comes from wanting everything to be perfect. Remember, no decision is perfect. Making mistakes is part of learning and growing. Try to replace negative thoughts with positive or neutral ones. If you catch yourself thinking, "What if I fail?" change it to, "I will do my best and learn from the experience." This helps change your mindset and reduce anxiety. Finally, practice mindfulness or simple breathing exercises. When your mind feels overwhelmed, take deep breaths and bring your attention back to the present moment. This calms your mind and stops the flood of thoughts. To sum up, stop overthinking by being aware of it, setting time limits, focusing on control, letting go of perfectionism, changing your thoughts, and practicing mindfulness. With practice, you can break the cycle of overthinking and enjoy a more peaceful mind. Remember, overthinking is a habit. Like any habit, it takes time to change, but every small step helps. Start today and take control of your thoughts.